What's up guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the top 5 trading apps every investor should have on their phone. Now this is based on my personal preferences as well as my years of experience in investing. And as we all know, no matter the industry, whether it's stocks, real estate, e-com, whatever, there's always going to be some apps to make your life easier and to put more money in your pocket. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and talk about this. Now the first app that you guys should have on your phone is your trading platform or different brokerages. Now this is really just for watching your investments or the news around your stocks on the go. This isn't exactly for day trading from your phone. I don't exactly recommend that, but it is very possible. But basically, if I'm just in traffic or at the gym or catching dinner or whatever, and I just pull out my phone really quick and check my stocks, whatever I'm holding that day, it's just good to look at the news around it and just look at the overall direction and know what's going on with your investments. Now I know some popular brokerages are Robinhood, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Webull, and all the ones like that. I personally use E-Trade, so I have the E-Trade app on my phone as well as Power E-Trade, so I have the more advanced charts and everything else on there. Okay, so the second app that I recommend is actually Twits. Twits contains the different ticker symbols to your favorite stocks and just allows you guys to build your watch list around them and just discuss the news around it and the potential that you see for each stock. It also shows you what's trending for the day. So basically, it's just a community of traders. They get together on their favorite ticker symbols and just discuss the overall stock patterns that they see and their investment plans. But as always, never take anybody's investment advice as your own. There's a ton of spammers, there's a ton of scammers, and there's just some very bad people in Twits, but there's also some really good advice that you guys will see. You'll learn very soon who to weed out, who's legit, who's not, who's offering good advice, and who's just on there spamming people. There's bag holders on there that get wrapped up in their positions and then they try to convince you otherwise on your views, such as say somebody's shorting a stock and it just shoots through the roof, goes to the moon, and then they're bag holding, they're stuck in that position. They're just going to post a bunch of negative stuff around the stock to try to incite fear in you and everyone else and just try to cause the price to go down overall, but you'll learn to block those people out and weed them out as you go. Okay, so my third recommended app is actually Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance allows you to view the daily news of the different markets as well as build up your own watch list so you guys can monitor your investments wisely. It has the different earnings calendars on there so you guys can look at the earnings of your favorite stocks as well as live economic reports directly to your notification. So by that what I mean is anytime there's CPI numbers coming out or unemployment numbers, the moment they come out, it goes directly to the notifications on your phone so you guys can trade accordingly. One of my favorite things on there is actually the stock screener, so it tells you the daily gainers, the daily losers, and anything else that you set up. They also have a newsletter that I signed up for and I get them directly to my email every single morning, and it just gives you an overall economic outlook and what to expect with each and every day. Okay, so my fourth recommendation is the investing app. I'm sure many of you guys have used or heard of investing.com and all the useful resources on there. Well, they actually have their own app and it's just called Investing. So this allows you to view the different markets, whether it's commodities, stocks, bonds, futures, crypto, everything else just like that. They have live news updated on there every single day. They have the watch list so you guys can monitor your own investments. They have the earnings and economic calendar so you guys can stay up to date with everything about the economy. But one of my favorite things on there is they have a really good learning platform. So they allow you to learn about the markets, different stocks, or just investing in general and expand your knowledge. Okay, so my fifth and final recommendation is actually joining a relevant trading community. Now this is really up to you guys, whatever apps you need to download around it. But basically this just allows investors to get together and discuss different news around stocks or offer perspectives that people normally wouldn't consider, and just opens up some more investment advice and more opportunities for you guys. So trading together is better than trading alone. And like I said, it's really up to you guys. There's a lot of them on Discord. There's some on Reddit. I'm sure you guys have heard of Wall Street Bets recently on Reddit as they have been blowing up the markets and creating some crazy meme stocks. But basically what I mean by relevant trading communities, if you guys trade Forex, join a Forex community, crypto community. If you day trade, joining a day trading community or swing trading, whatever. You guys can find some around yourselves. I actually have a day trading, swing trading, or just investing in general chat down below. It's the Discord chat you guys can find in the description. You guys are welcome to join it. It's called Investors Daily. It's not as active as I would like, but I do post call outs and different alerts and stuff to help you guys out, and we'll expand it over time. So I hope I was able to help you guys out. Go ahead and download some of those apps that you guys think would be relevant and helpful to your overall investing. But I don't know if you guys are paying attention, but today is a very red day in the market. Some of my favorite stocks are down 10, 20, even 30%. So I'm going to go shopping right now. I am going to go find some of my favorite stocks and just throw some cash at them for a discount. If this video helped you guys out in any way, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have a bunch of trading resources in the description below. You guys are welcome to check out all of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.